She was beautiful inside and out. She only saw the good in people.
Their daughter was murdered and a suspect identified, but 2 years later, there's still no arrest in the death of a South Tampa designer. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Wendy Ryan.
And I'm Brendan McLaughlin. Tonight, a mother and father's plea for justice 2 years after authorities found their daughter strangled and stabbed in an upscale hotel room in Thailand. Our Serena Fazan joins us now with the exclusive interview with Wendy Albano's parents. Serena?
And Brennan, the Greenwalls are breaking their silence and they are begging for help because despite an arrest warrant in India where authorities say the suspect fled, their hands are tied. The U.S. has no jurisdiction and this man is free.
This is a very violent man, and he could do this to somebody else's daughter, and we don't want that to happen. I'm sorry.
They've been married for more than 50 years.
Since the day she's been born, I've always been in love with her.
Peter and Ellen Greenwald's greatest joy, their children.
Well, I know every parent says their children were special, and I'm sure they all were, but she was special.
But 2 years ago this month, their 51-year-old daughter, Wendy, a mother of two, was murdered in Thailand. Her parents tell me Thai police identified her business partner as the chief suspect, captured in this grainy photo, leaving her hotel hours before a maid found her body. They shared these photos of 26-year-old Ritesh Sanghvi, a man they say their daughter met in India, attempting to start an import company.
She trusted too much, which is probably why she's dead.
Immigration records confirm Sanghvi left Thailand hours later on a flight to his native India. Wendy's parents assumed he would immediately be arrested. They were wrong.
Had never been an extradition from India to Thailand.
And while Wendy was a U.S. citizen, our laws don't apply in this case.
They had their own legal system. They had their own way of doing things.
So they pleaded with U.S. Senator Bill Nelson and then Secretary of State Hillary Clinton.
And so they had to really map new ground. Finally, an extradition treaty was signed.
But by then, the suspected killer's trail went cold.
How do we find him and have justice served?
This year, another glimmer of hope, the Bollywood Awards. In April, a country of more than 1 billion will have all eyes on Tampa, and the Greenwalls plan on being seen.
I would hope that people would stand outside and say, justice for Wendy.
It's their commitment to their child.
This is my mission in life. I'm not going anywhere until he's gone. Either I know he's caught or he's dead.
And late this afternoon, I talked to the State Department. They said they are aware of this case and they're communicating with police in India. But unless that country's law enforcement invites U.S. authorities in, they can't do anything. If you want to help by writing a letter to a politician, I have posted that information on our website at abcactionnews.com. Back to you, Brendan.